Okay, and now for the preview of next week's events. Preview for the week of May 22nd to May 26th. Nothing much on Monday, not many important events. On Tuesday, we have Eurozone PMIs. We have the German IFO business climate. So a few data figures to move the euro. Public sector borrowing. Maybe it'll have some importance because of the upcoming elections in the UK. We have US new home sales. Most of the sales of new homes, most of the sales are of existing homes, but new home sales trigger more economic activity, and that's why it's watched, and it's correlated with the wider economy. Wednesday is a busier day. We have, I missed here, it's not the Canadian jobs report, it's the Canadian rate decision, oil inventories, and most importantly, the Fed meeting minutes. So the meeting minutes from the Fed come on the background. They're released next week, but it's for the meeting that happened in early May. Since then, we had poor wages, we had poor retail sales, we had other figures that missed, like housing. Remember, this document is revised until the very last moment. It's not a clear reflection of what happened in that meeting. It's a document that is meant to move markets or send signals. I expect it to be a bit more dovish than the Fed statement. Watch out for that. The meeting minutes releases are more important when they refer to a meeting that did not consist of a press conference and new forecasts, okay? So this one could have more of an impact. More figures for next week. We have the second release of UK GDP. Last time it was very weak, 0.3%. I guess it'll be confirmed, showing us that Brexit begins biting. As always, jobless claims also on Thursday. And on Friday, we have, it's a very busy day for the United States. We have the second release of US GDP here. Revisions are much more common. Hopefully we'll get an upgrade. The last report was very poor, 0.7%. And also durable goods orders. This is a report for the month of April. And maybe Q2 is better than Q1. And we'll also have a revised measure of the consumer sentiment figure. Okay. So that's the preview for the week of May 22nd to May 26th. So before you wrap up, let's take another look at euro dollar. We mentioned that euro dollar was rejected from the highs, and the rejection continues. So we're already some 30 pips off the highs. 110.87. The high is of course 111.22. Line here that Ed mentioned.